Hey guys, welcome back to Crockpot Mama. It's been so long since I've posted up a new recipe, but I'm still pregnant and I've just been going through a lot of pregnancy stuff, which there will be a separate video on that. I'm using my Crockpot a lot more and I have the motivation to film again. I'm filming this on my phone, so I don't have a tripod for it. We did get a tripod, a Gorilla Pod for our camera, so I'll be further vlogging on there. But I just want to get this done right now, so it's going to be different quality on my phone, and I hope you like it. So today I'm making a turkey bolognese. So it's just ground turkey meat with rigatoni in a cheesy tomato sauce. And I'm making this in the crock pot. So this is my first time mixing meat and pasta in the crock pot. I've heard you can do this. My best friend who gave me the crock pot has made lasagna in it before. So I know it can be done. You just need the time to cook it. And I have that today because I'm unemployed. So we'll talk about that in another video too. I hope you guys like it. I hope it's like something that inspires you to make for your family, and I hope that it comes out yummy. I have a women's Bible study tonight at my place, and that's why I'm making this. Crockpot is so convenient for times where you've got so much to do. Like I've got to like nest and clean my place up, and I don't really have time to be cooking. So if it can be cooking on the side by itself, praise God. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Alright guys, so I already got started. I have the ground turkey meat and the pasta in the crock pot already. But just to show you, I clean my meat with water and some white vinegar. And then I used Himalayan sea salt, Mrs. Dash, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and a packet of sazon. This is the sauce that I will be using. I like it because it's 3 G's. Oh, it says hearty vegetables. I didn't even read that. So I'm like semi being healthy. I've been using whole wheat pasta lately, but they did not have whole wheat rigatoni. And this is for a bunch of girls, so who knows. They'll like regular pasta. So I already like marinated the meat, and it's still a little frozen. Okay, I'm very unorthodox with my cooking, and I'm just like, I just put the meat in hot water and then I'm like, oh, it'll defrost. Anyways, so I mixed this all in here, and then I used let's see, I used half cup of water right here, and I might need to add some more on the way just so that the pasta can cook. So I have whole milk mozzarella cheese, like that big nice chunky block. Oh yeah, I love mozzarella. Warning, vegans, do not watch this video. Meat and cheese, y'all, meat and cheese. So I'm dicing up my mozzarella like this, and I will mix it up in the pasta. And then I will sprinkle some of this on top at the end because I don't know, I just love cheese. All right, so I have added the sauce, some extra water, and my chunks of mozzarella in here. Mix it all up. Oh yeah, listen to that gooey goodness. Like I said, I might need to add some more water for the pasta to cook. I'm hoping that this gets it done. All right, so I'll be setting this meal on, I'm actually gonna do high, and we're going to do, so let's see, it's 12:55 right now. Dinner needs to be ready by 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna cook it for 5 hours on high. Yeah. Yeah. So 5 hours on high. It's already starting now, and then I will check on it and see if water is needed. So I added the sauce, the chunks of cheese, and some more water, and mix it around. And something else that I added last minute was breadcrumbs. So that's not Parmesan cheese that you see at the top. It's actually breadcrumbs. I went and did like 2 layers of sprinkles and added that in there. And I just know it'll give it like a nice texture. And it's just loaded with carbs, y'all. Carbs, cheese, and meat. Oh, yeah. All right. I'll be back soon in 5 hours to check on, well, no, I'll check on it before 5 hours, but I will show you the finishing product. All right, y'all, so the time is up, and what's awesome about the Crockpot is it'll immediately go on keep warm, so it won't overheat, but the food won't get cold. So, all that water that drips, which is fine, because I have pasta. So, wow, I did check on it a few times. I did add some oil and water, and it just smells delicious. It's like, honestly, it's like a lasagna.